Cantu Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer's award-winning formula restores curls back to a frizz-free and full-of-life state. MOISTURIZES. Revives and refreshes curls, coils, and waves with every spray. Reduce Frizz. Made with 100% pure shea butter to add shine to curls and reduce frizz. Instructions. Spray on dry or damp hair section by section to restore, refresh, and revive curls, coils and waves. Reapply to dry hair as needed for additional moisture. Cantu Comeback Curl Next Day Curl Revitalizer. Every day, there are people out there embracing their natural, beautiful, textured hair and owning their unique style. Our collection of award-winning products made just for textured hair is all you need to achieve any look or style you want. Ingredients. Water, glycerin, polysorbate 20, PEG 40 hydrogenated castor oil, phenoxyethanol, fragrance, magnesium sulfate, hydroxyethylcellulose, citric acid, butyrospermum parkii, shea, butter, disodium phosphate, polysorbate 60, sodium phosphate, coumarin, hexyl cinnamol, no mineral oil, parabens, silicones, phthalate, paraffin, drying alcohol, formaldehyde or propylene glycol. Top reviews from the United States. Natural hair full of curls. Don't waste your time buying anything other product.